Hi, today I'm showing you how to make an AND gate with transistors. An AND gate only outputs when only both inputs are 1. For building the AND gate, you need 2 NPN transistors, 3 resistors, and a LED for seeing the output, and some wires. One of the resistors should have lower resistance for a better output. Connect one of the transistors to the breadboard. Connect the second transistor's collector to the first transistor's emitter. Connect 2 higher resistance resistors to the base of the transistors. Connect 2 wires to the resistors. These 2 wires will be our input. Connect a wire to the collector of the first transistor and to the power. Connect a wire to the emitter of the second transistor. This will be our output. Connect the lower resistance resistor to the emitter of the second transistor and connect it to the ground. You can put a LED for seeing the output and ground that LED. Now the AND gate is done. Now there is no light because our both inputs are 0. To make it on, we should make both inputs 1. To make that, connect both inputs to the power. Now both inputs are 1, so our output is 1 too. If we remove one wire, our output will be 0 because one of the input is 1. So our output is 0. Thanks for watching. That was the AND gate. See you soon next day.